In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a refund on Fresha, a fantastic platform designed for professionals in the wellness and beauty industry. Refunding a customer is an occasional necessity, whether it's due to a cancellation, dissatisfaction, or an error in booking. Whatever the reason, Fresha has made it straightforward to ensure both you and your client are satisfied with the outcome. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you can handle this process smoothly and efficiently. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to Fresha for Business. This is the portal specifically designed for professionals like you, offering a suite of tools for managing appointments, sales, client relationships, and more. Once you're on this page, you'll find the option to log in. Click on Login to proceed. Since Fresha offers various services, you'll be prompted to specify your portal. In this case, select Fresha for Professionals to ensure you're accessing the right tools for business management. The platform offers various ways to log in, maximizing convenience. For our purposes, let's select Continue with Google, as it's a quick, secure way to access your account without remembering another password. Just make sure the Google account you choose is the one associated with your Fresha account. Now head over to the calendar section. This is where all the magic happens. From booking appointments to managing your schedule, it's designed to give you a comprehensive view of your day, week, or month, depending on your preference. Locate your completed sale appointment within the calendar. This would be the appointment for which you're processing the refund. Fresha's calendar is intuitive, but take a moment if needed to familiarize yourself with the layout and how your appointments are displayed. Click on the appointment in question to view more details. You'll see an option to view sale for this specific booking. Clicking here will bring you to the transaction details, showing you everything from the service provided to the amount charged. Near the transaction details, you'll notice 3 dots or an options menu. Clicking here will reveal several choices, one of which is pertinent to our task today. Select Continue under the options menu. This step is key as it will navigate you towards the refund process specifically. It's designed to be a smooth transition from viewing the sale to initiating the refund. At this stage, you'll need to select a reason for the refund. Fresha provides a drop-down menu with common reasons to ensure clarity on both ends, for you and for record-keeping purposes. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Finally, click on Issue Refund. This is the last step in the process, and Fresha will handle the transaction reversal from here. Confirm your action if prompted, and rest assured that the refund is on its way to your client. A couple of tips to bear in mind. Refunds can take a few business days to process, depending on the payment method used. It's always a good practice to communicate with your client about the expected timeline for the refund to set clear expectations. Remember, issuing a refund doesn't have to be a negative interaction. In many cases, handling a client's concerns promptly and professionally can actually strengthen your relationship with them. It shows that you value their satisfaction and are committed to rectifying any issues. And there you have it, a complete guide to processing a refund on Fresha. Whether you're new to Fresha or an experienced user, I hope this walkthrough has clarified the steps and made the process as smooth as possible for you. Keep in mind, Fresha's support team is always on hand to assist if you encounter any difficulties. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to sharing more tips and tricks to help you make the most of your Fresha experience.